For our first scenario, we're going to look at a house fire in a home that's less than 3,000 square feet. It's one story. This is an ideal opportunity to use an interior division supervisor. The interior division supervisor would be responsible for all the companies inside the home, as well as size up and accountability. Our first alarm for this house fire will consist of the following: 4 3-person engines, 2 4-person trucks, 1 2-person fire medic unit, and a battalion chief. As Engine 1 arrives, they have the following objectives. The Engine 1 captain first must perform a solid size up in his mind. FPOT-P is a great tool. Then he gives a good ARAVA report using IOCAN. Next, the crew initiates fire track by stretching an 1 3/4 hose line to the front door. What we don't want to do in this situation is just push fire into the house by attacking it from the driveway.
Engine 1's on scene, 123 Main Street. 1-story house, working fire in the garage. Engine 1's initiating fire attack. Engine 2, give us a water supply. Passing command. Battalion 1 copies, Engine 1 on scene. 1-story house with working fire in the garage. Engine 1's passing command. Engine 2, you have water supply. Truck 1's arrived, assuming roof division.
Notice that the firefighter is stretching his line to the front door, and the captain and the engineer will help him dress his line. Truck 1 has arrived. Their primary objective will be vertical ventilation. The Truck 1 captain will assume roof division supervisor, looking over his crew and making sure that they're safe.
Battalion 1's arrived, setting up command across the street on the A side. This will be Main Street Command, offensive strategy.
Battalion 1 has arrived, and he's on the A side. This is going to be an offensive strategy. He set up his command post in a great position to see the big picture. Notice that the Truck 1 crew is throwing ladders, getting their saws ready, and getting ready to get the roof.
Engine 2 is arriving, we're getting water supply. Engine 2 command, you'll be assigned interior division. Your objectives are fire attack and search inside. You got Engine 1 working for you.
Again, notice that the Engine 1 engineer is dressing the line for his crew. We don't want that engineer just glued to the pump panel. Engine 2 has now arrived. They have the following objectives. First, they need to get a water supply established. Next, they need to pull a second 2-out line or backup line. Third, the captain would assume the interior division supervisor role. He would be operating at the tactical level. That means that all crews inside the home will be reporting directly to him. He's at the tactical level. This allows him to be closer to the operation and have better accountability.
Command interior, no exposure on the CCI side.
Truck 2 arrived, do you have assignment? Truck 2, report to interior division for a primary search. Truck 2 copies, interior for primary.
Truck 2 is going to report to that interior division supervisor and get that assignment. Notice the face-to-face dialogue between interior and his crews. This enhances communication and reduces unneeded radio traffic. Right now we've got a primary attack, a primary search, and initial vertical ventilation going. Perfect. Our water supply has just been established, and all we need now is a medical group to set up and watch our back.
Command, Medic 1's on scene. Medic 1, your assignment's medical group. Come up to the command post with your gear. Medic 1 copies, medical group.
Notice that the Interior Division supervisor is continually lapping the structure, talking to his firefighter, ensuring that the 2 outline is placed properly. We just got our medical group established as well, up next to the command post. It's a great place for them. They can now have face-to-face dialogue with the incident commander. Currently, the incident commander has a 3-to-1 span of control: Interior Division, Roof Division, and medical group.
Command, Engine 3 is on scene. Engine 3, you're assigned to Interior Division. Connect with Engine 2 for an assignment. Engine 3 copies, reporting to Interior Engine 3 for assignment.
Engine 3 has just arrived. They're about to pull a second hose line into the structure, again working for the Interior Division supervisor. He'll give them that assignment face-to-face, once again reducing unneeded radio traffic. This enhances communication because, as we all know, communications on the fire ground are very much a challenge today. We've got SCBA, we've got idling engines, and we sometimes only have one tactical channel to operate on.
Main report, Engine 1.
Hey, I think we got knocked down, but it's up in the attic.
Copy. I got your crew. Main report, truck 2.
Not sure. We have an all clear in the primary. We're going to start pulling ceiling.
Copy that, truck 2. Engine 3, I need to get an Engine 3/4 line inside. Check the attic, guys, ASAP. Engine 3/4, check the attic. Got it. Command, Interior Division.
Go ahead, Interior's command.
Primary search is complete. Knockdown on the garage. Possible extension into the attic. Engine 3 coming in with an Engine 3/4 line.
Command, copy. Primary is complete. Knockdown on the garage. Checking for attic extension. Command, Engine 4 is on scene. Give an assignment. Engine 4, your RIC group, your objectives are to give me a lap of the structure, soften, and secure utilities. Engine 4 copies, RIC group, soften the building,